Well, today is a great day. We are celebrating end of program celebration for Rob Cook, one of our many members in the NPHI Rising Leaders program. My name is Jessica Samuels. I am the founder and CEO of Evolve Career, and I have been the lead executive coach for the Rising Leaders program. And we are just here today to capture some wins and reflect on the experience Rob has had. So, Rob, I turn it over to you. What is your current role and main responsibility?
I'm currently the purchasing director, and I work for a hospice and PACE organization, Hope West, with nearly 800 patients and over 400 employees. I oversee a department of three full-time staff and volunteers.
So I want to circle back 6 months ago when you were nominated to the program. How did you feel and what were some of the thoughts you had before you started the program?
I've really appreciated the opportunity to learn more over the last few months to become a better leader and just manage that growth and change a little bit better. Um, I came into it kind of anticipating a lot of opportunity to learn and grow. But I don't know if I realized the growth journey I would have when I started.
Hmm. Yeah, that's special because again, there was such a variety of topics that we covered, right? And when you think about the work that we did private as well as in the group coaching sessions, what specifically did our work mean to you, and how did it help you do your job better in the organization?
I always felt that it was a welcoming experience, whether working directly with you or working with the team. And I always felt comfortable just to openly discuss challenges or opportunities. My biggest takeaway was to flourish in the ambiguity as a senior leader, and probably most importantly, just to remember to foster fair exchange with others.
I'd love to hear maybe one of your favorite parts of the experience in the Rising Leaders program.
I think I'd have to say my favorite was the group sessions. It's a pretty unique opportunity to come together with different individuals with different challenges throughout the country and collaborate and learn from one another. And I really felt like at the end of the program, we were kind of a cohesive team that were there to support one another. And I just wish we had more time each session.
That small community that we pulled together felt like a team, right? You could lean on them for advice or ask questions or share your wins, right? We had a lot of celebration. And so let me ask you this, right? What were some of the results, like tangible results that you're proud of that you've done the work and we've co-created that together?
I think overall, just the opportunity to gain a number of tools to help me grow in my leadership, help our team at Hope West grow together, and then just ultimately build confidence in my abilities moving forward.
So let me ask you this, right? You were nominated into the program. You had a little bit of an idea of what this experience would be like, but now that you've gone through the program and you've grown as a leader, you mentioned you didn't really realize what this development journey would look like. What would you say to the individual that has been nominated and
I mean, first and foremost, just dive in and do it. Um, I think everybody has something to learn, but everybody also has something to offer. And know that when you go into the program, you probably have something to offer as well. And you may not know that initially, but by the end, I think collaborating with your peers in the program, you'll learn a lot from others, and you'll learn a lot about yourself. And it's just a great opportunity.
well said. And I'll toss another question in here as we wrap up is what would you say to the organizational leaders that are making this investment in directors, vice presidents to the top of to the C-suite nominating you in this program? What did it mean to you? And why would you encourage other leaders to make this investment in their top talent?
I think anytime you have the opportunity to invest in yourself, um, you have to take that opportunity. But I think for leaders that give you that opportunity to invest in yourself, you're also making an investment back to the organization that that individual works at. And I think that, as I said before, I think that collaborating with a number of individuals in leadership roles throughout the country, with such a great leader as Jessica throughout the whole program, is priceless. And there's just endless opportunities that come together, networking and learning from one another. So